The final confrontation between King Cartel and the Phoenix was intense. Mr. Majestic Ninja fought alongside King Cartel, and together they emerged victorious. The clash escalated as the Phoenix unleashed a torrent of fiery energy towards King Cartel. Standing strong, King Cartel channeled a wave of mystical energy to counter the onslaught. Mr. Majestic Ninja executed a powerful slice with his katana, aiming directly at the Phoenix. With a shared look of determination, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja prepared for a synchronized attack. The Phoenix screamed in fury as the katana made contact, causing a burst of flames and smoke to erupt. United King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja showcased their teamwork, preparing for the final blow. King Cartel channeled his energy into a brilliant ball of light, preparing for the decisive attack against the Phoenix. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja positioned himself strategically behind King Cartel, ready to launch his strike. The moment of impact arrived as King Cartel released the energy ball towards the Phoenix, creating a massive explosion that lit up the sky. Caught in the blast, the Phoenix expressed surprise and desperation as it struggled against the overwhelming power. The battlefield became cloaked in smoke and debris, with King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja standing tall amidst the chaos. The weakened Phoenix hovered in the air, while they shared a glance, ready to confront the aftermath. King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja surveyed the damaged cityscape below, which showed the heavy toll of their battle. Citizens emerged from shelters, their faces reflecting a mix of awe and fear in response to the aftermath. King Cartel knelt down to help a wounded citizen, showcasing his spirit of responsibility and leadership. Mr. Majestic Ninja stood protectively beside him, scanning the surroundings for any remaining threats as they rallied the community. A group of citizens gathered around King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja, their faces filled with gratitude and hope. King Cartel raised his arm in encouragement, inspiring the crowd to take action and rebuild their community. King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja led the citizens with determination, organizing relief efforts to clear debris and provide assistance. As the sun rose over the horizon, it symbolized a new beginning for the city. King Cartel stood on a makeshift stage, addressing the inspired crowd with a passionate call for unity and hope. Mr. Majestic Ninja stood beside him, embodying strength and solidarity, as the citizens listened intently. The citizens joined hands in a circle, their faces beaming with determination, as they pledged to rebuild together under King Cartel's leadership. A vibrant mural began to emerge, depicting the heroes at the center, symbolizing hope and resilience. King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja walked through the revitalized streets, smiling as they witnessed children playing and families coming together. A community festival filled the air with laughter, showcasing the joy and unity of the citizens celebrating their new beginning. King Cartel stood on a podium, celebrating the accomplishments of the community with awards for bravery and unity, acknowledging everyone's contributions. Mr. Majestic Ninja engaged with the youth, teaching them self-defense moves to inspire a new generation to protect their city. A diverse group of citizens gathered together, brainstorming ideas on improving their neighborhoods, with King Cartel encouraging open dialogue. Mr. Majestic Ninja led a self-defense workshop in a local park, surrounded by eager participants, fostering a sense of empowerment. King Cartel gazed out from a rooftop, contemplating the future of the city he loved as the sun set, casting a golden hue over the skyline. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja trained in an empty warehouse, practicing his skills with determination to become an even better protector for the community. King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja stood united on a stage, addressing a large audience filled with eager faces, ready to embrace the challenges ahead. A close-up of a community board revealed ideas and plans for upcoming projects, showcasing the creativity and collaboration of the citizens. A nighttime scene unfolded as King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja walked through the bustling streets illuminated by twinkling lights radiating hope and possibility. Citizens gathered around a bonfire in a park, sharing stories and dreams for the future, their faces lit by the warm glow. King Cartel sat at a desk reviewing blueprints for a new community center, deeply focused on enhancing the lives of his people. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja mentored a group of young kids in martial arts, demonstrating techniques that inspired confidence and discipline. King Cartel unveiled a plaque dedicated to the heroes of the city, surrounded by smiling citizens, celebrating their collective achievements and resilience. A panoramic view of the city at dawn showcased new construction sites and blooming parks, symbolizing growth and renewal in the community. King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja shared a moment of laughter together in front of a mural that represented hope and unity, reflecting the spirit of the city. A community event unfolded in a vibrant park featuring local vendors, families enjoying food, and children playing, illustrating the joy of a united neighborhood. King Cartel gave a heartfelt speech to a large crowd, inspiring them with his vision for the future as the sun set behind him, casting a warm glow over the gathering. In a community dojo, Mr. Majestic Ninja practiced with local martial artists, emphasizing teamwork and camaraderie as they learned from one another.